Alright, the question here is saying the number 2400 is first increased by 30%. The value obtained is next decreased by 20%. Find the final number. So originally the value is 2400. First it is getting increased by 30%. So we will use the format percent is to value old new. Old percentage is always 100. Old value will be 2400, and since it is increasing by 30%, the new percentage will be 130. जब भी परसेंटेज इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज होता है तो हम इस ओल्ड 100% के अंदर प्लस या माइनस करते हैं. अगर इंक्रीज है तो प्लस करेंगे, डिक्रीज है तो माइनस करेंगे. So over here it is getting increase, so we will add 30 in 100. This will become 130 as the new percentage. Now the requirement is to find out the final number. So the new value we are taking as x, cross multiply, this will become 100x equals to 2400 multiplied by 130. 100 will be shifted on the opposite side, so on the opposite side it will become divide. 0 cancelled out with 0, and this 0 cancelled out with this 0. So 13 times 240. When you multiply 13 with 24, this is 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7, and then this becomes 312. इसमें आप एक 0 ऐड कर दें, so this will become 3120. So the value was 2400 when it increased by 30%. 30% का जब इसमें इंक्रीज़ हुआ तो वो वैल्यू क्या बन गई, 3120. अब इसके अंदर फर्दर डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है बाय 20%, तो अगेन हम यही फॉर्मेट यूज़ करेंगे, परसेंट इज़ टू वैल्यू ओल्ड न्यू. ओल्ड परसेंटेज अगेन 100. नाउ द ओल्ड वैल्यू वी विल टेक दिस वन. ये जो 3120 है इसको हम एज ओल्ड वैल्यू कंसिडर करेंगे because the change has to be applied in this value. Now it is getting decreased by 20%, so the new value will be 80, and new percentage will be 80, and new value will be x. Cross multiply 100 times x equals to 3120 multiplied by 80. So x will be equals to 3120 times 80 divided by 100. 0 cut with this 0 and this 0 cut with this 0. So 312 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, plus 1 becomes 9, 8 3s are 24. So the new value will be 2496.